Good morning, everybody. It is 7:16. It's Sunday when I'm recording this. You'll be watching this on Monday. But I woke up around like 6 or so because Carter woke up, and I tried to let Chris sleep in, but he didn't sleep in. But he was able to shower and kind of get up slowly, which is nice for him. I have been washing bottles, put a load of laundry in, just cleaned up. I opened up all the windows because it's like really cool and rainy here, so I'm excited to get some fresh air in here. I feel like we haven't vlogged in a while because I have been struggling really hard with 3. I'm not gonna lie, it's been tough, but the thing that changed is that Ella, I think, has like acid reflux or something, I don't know, but she's been spitting up a lot and fussing a lot. As most of you know, I have oversupply, so I'm trying to like deal with the oversupply so that she doesn't overeat, which is exactly what she's doing. She's overeating because she gets a lot in a short amount of time. So it's been tough, I'm not gonna lie, but just trying to finish up some tasks so that we can actually have some good family time today and not just all about like cleaning and stuff like that. Carter starts school this week. He goes 3 days a week for 2 hours. He went last year as well. He only did 2 days last year, and I last minute added the 3rd day on, which was a really hard decision for me because I feel like once they go to school, they're in school forever. But the 3rd day I think was really necessary because 1, he loves it. 2, the teacher told me that most of the kids are doing 3 days in the 3s group, and he's just really bored at home right now with the newborn and his baby brother. He needs to like use his mind, and I think it'll be really good for him. But yes, it was a hard decision, but he's really excited that he gets to go 3 days a week. So yeah.
Nothing better than a rainy day movie. Coffee and snuggles. Of course, some juice spills on the couch. That's a standard for us. But we got 3 kids. What are we gonna do?
Tanner probably has a concussion, that's probably why he's still sleeping.
No, but he does have poop. I smelled it when I went in. Stanky. Going to get tan now, but Tiff said that he might have a concussion, which he doesn't. But she said that because last night, after I was cleaning up dinner and stuff, he was walking around and literally just walked right into this wall, face first, and we don't even know how, but he had an airplane in his mouth. He was like smiling at me, showing me that he had this little airplane kind of sticking out of his mouth, and he walked right into that wall. And what was crazy is literally like maybe 2 minutes before that, Carter was backing up and backed right into that wall, same wall. So wall 2, our boy 0. Hi, are you so excited to see me? Yes? It's stinky in here. Look at that eye.
Yeah.
You always have a boo-boo, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was quite the unpleasant diaper change for both of us. Stanky, and it was hurting him. And we got 2 pajama ruiners today, so I think we were gonna try and take a picture of them in these cute cozy pajamas, but not gonna happen, right? Oh well, breakfast time. Boys are playing Play-Doh.
Yeah!
Tiffany's pumping. I'm making some breakfast with some help. Sounds like Play-Doh just got a little bit messy. Super awkward. Can't sit down with this thing on. Probably if it was a little bit higher, I might be able to, but I'm literally upstairs because I had to give myself a timeout. I think the hardest thing about having 3 kids is like just one of them always seems to be upset or acting up. And just now Carter and Tanner were playing Play-Doh, and Tanner had something that Carter wanted, and Carter got all mad and then walked over and bit his hand, and obviously I flipped out. I was so mad at him, I put him in timeout. But like, it's just disappointing because like, you don't know what you're doing wrong as a parent that your son bites his brother, and like, I just feel like I needed to get away from him for a second. I love them so much. I love them all. I know they're gonna misbehave. I know they're gonna be boys, but it's just super upsetting to see him do something like that. For that to be his reaction, and like, I got mad at him, and I don't want to get mad at him, but obviously can't just let him. He starts school next week. Can't let him go around biting people when he doesn't get what he wants. So I'm upstairs away from him for a minute because I just can't even. It's unbelievable. It's 10:42 and you've probably already seen enough of me today, but Carter and I just hit the reset button, so we're gonna see how this goes, because even after I really got upset with him, I went back downstairs. He still has not listened to me, but I'm gonna put that all behind me. He said he's gonna start listening. We hugged it out, and I gotta forgive him, even when they're fully under your skin. I think we're gonna try and go to Target, which is just what we do. Seems like all the time. We do have to get some groceries and stuff like that. We want to make something comfort food, football food. Here comes my buddy. Hey, can I have another one of those hugs or kisses?
Monzilla.
Which one? Hug or kiss? Kiss?
Monzilla is falling.
I see. Still waiting. Thank you. We wiped it. You wiped it. We started fresh, right? Right.
I got to be in trouble day.
Not anymore. You're my good boy.
Day.
No. We're done getting in trouble. 3. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Come here, Rook. Rookie loves to play, doesn't he? Ow, that hit my foot. Not funny. Wow.
So we were going to do a family Target trip, but this is like Carter's 15th time getting in trouble. He bit Tanner twice, which he has never bitten before. It's a great thing to start the week you start school. So I'm gonna go to Target by myself really quickly because we just need a few things for the house, and we wanted to make the soup that we make. It's like a potato cheddar broccoli soup.
Why am I standing here?
How do you feel about today, Tanner? You can't have any more boo-boos, child.
Tanner actually needs a nap. Carter's currently in trouble in his crib, but I'm gonna get him as soon as Tiffany leaves.
Struggle bus. We're on the struggle bus for sure.
So Tiff went to Target on her own. I thought that she was taking the camera with her, but she didn't. So the boys and I are gonna go watch, the kids and I are all gonna go watch something in our bed. Since it's a rainy, yuck day, we made popcorn, and then it's gonna be quiet time soon. Right, Carter? My good listener, Buzz Lightyear. Oh, close up for Ella. And Tan Man. Tanner, hi. I think this one's getting a little hungry. Good thing Tiff pumps a lot. Happy girl. Happy boys. We got the windows open, some fresh air coming in. We're gonna watch something, right? We're making it.
Yeah.
Okay, eat your popcorn, mister. It is 10 minutes to 5 and we haven't done much, but we've turned it around for sure as far as like behavior goes and stuff like that. After nap, definitely turned the corner. Carter's asking for muffins. He's still in his PJs, but seriously, look at it outside. It is nasty out. So Tiff went to Target. I made a new drawing. It says kitty cat. Just kidding, it says city cat. Comment if you know what I'm talking about there. Tanner is currently chewing on a cord. That's not good. We'll probably have to edit that one out. Everybody dressed over here? Tiff? Watching football.
Yeah, right. Got done feeding and pumping. Come here, uppy. Oh, he only wants daddy, shocker.
No, he actually wants the cord that I just took from him, but
Tanner.
I love Sundays.
I just wish we had more time.
It's like almost 5 o'clock, like I just said, and we're just gonna have some coffee right now, so we can actually be alive after they go down.
Mommy got those for you.
Maybe get some stuff accomplished.
They're called veggie chips. They look like Mickey Mouse.
Carter's on a snack mission. Who else loves washing and putting together pump parts as much as I do? His favorite part. Who's winning? Who's the biggest dinosaur?
Me!
Oh my goodness, I thought he was a nice one.
I'm the big one.
I just told Siri to set an alarm for our mac and cheese, and Carter thought I was setting an alarm for him playing at the table because we set alarm for his fire now. Isn't that right, Bubba? Yeah, don't worry, you could play dinosaurs as long as you want.
No!
Oh, you didn't know I had the camera? Give it a kiss. Mwah. Welcome home.
Those hand-me-downs.
Took Tanner's tray off, so now he can pull right up to the table with his brother. And Carter cleaned up his dinosaurs when I said it's time for dinner. Put them all back in the bag.
Why don't I do a soup?
Mommy's gonna make me soup, she said.
No,
So she said.
harder.
Oh, you want some soup too? What do we like better, the mac and cheese or the Mickeys?
Macaroni cheese and Mickey's and soup.
Yeah. Checking your fantasy football lineup?
No.
You hooked.
I'm trying to remember.
She's hooked, y'all.
No. I'm trying to remember this recipe. So here are some of the ingredients to my soup. It's okay, it's always loud in this house. Pure chaos. I'll have it linked below too. What, Carter, from Pinterest? Sorry, I can't talk without being interrupted by a toddler. And broccoli, of course. Okay, on my way to go save Carter. What do you need help with? Is that important? What?
Get me out here!
You are so silly. I'm using turkey bacon in this recipe, not regular bacon. So this is how it looks. It looks delicious. I told you I'll have the link for Pinterest below. The only thing different I did was I added this can of corn. Did you have a good bath? Yeah. Oh, thank you, honey. That is so nice. Okay, thank you. She's got it. Thank you. Very concerned about her binky. Aww. Do you love your sister? You love her? Good kiss. Those dimples.
Show me what book you picked. That is a muscle massager, in case you're wondering what Tanner's playing with. It's also his cane. And Carter picked out this elephant for Tanner because he realized he has Ted and Tanner doesn't have anything.
Mouth, step over, and move, and the sun goes down.
Oh, good job, babe. Not reading his book.
Good night, mittens.
Okay, got a little abrasive tan. Okay.
That was a very strong kiss.
Oh my god. What? Love you. Wait, much kissing off? What? Love you. I love you.
Night night, baby. I love you so
Hey,
much.
Daddy, why you put those 2 books in right there?
They're on the bookshelf. That's where they go.
Love you, Wild.
I love you.
Oh,
You looking for questions to ask? Stall.
Yeah, he asked me to set his alarm clock and if I could turn the light brighter already.
Just like that, all the negative memories of the day are erased. Right?
Negative.
Well, you know, all the tough spots.
Today was really hard.
It was really hard until we put him down for bed, and then it's all good. Right, honey? And you're going to sleep through the night tonight? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Mommy's going to give you a bath all by herself, and Daddy's going to watch football.
Oh, she's so angry. She just got out of the bathtub. That's why she's so red. Because she's pissed about it. Oh, bye-bye. Okay, let's go eat. Daddy's going to give her a bottle that I just pumped. And we are trying these. Everyone has been swearing by these, so figured I'd give it a try. I don't think she's colicky, but she's definitely a gassy girl. So we're trying this tonight. I just got done cleaning up the kitchen while Chris gave Ella her bottle. The stuff smells so good, the apple cider. I still have the code for you to get this for free if you want, so I'll put that in the description box. Basically just trying to clean up and just have everything ready to start the chaos of the week. You're so strange, honey. It's been really hard, I'm not gonna lie, so. Wow, honey. So I'm trying to just like make everything else in its order while it can be.
Just waiting.
Okay, so we're gonna end it here. I feel like I have so much to talk to you guys about because I haven't put up a vlog in a while. But I plan on vlogging tomorrow and talking even more. But I just want to say it's amazing having 3 kids, best thing in the world. But it currently is kicking my butt. I'm not gonna lie and pretend I'm Superwoman because I'm not. It's been rough, but like we're so happy and I don't know the word I'm looking for, grateful for all of this, but it's been really rough. Like last night I really needed to get out of the house, so we had the babysitter come after we put the boys to sleep. So she basically just like sat downstairs and watched the monitor. And we took Ella to dinner with us, and I had to hold her the entire time and eat holding her, and it was just hard because we haven't really had like time for each other. We're still trying to like balance everything, and I don't know, it's amazing, but it's rough. Yesterday was one of the first days I've like done my hair and my makeup, because I feel like when I vlog, like it's been looking like it's easy, but it's not. Well, anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Baby, have anything you want to say? I would show you him, but he has no shirt on. What?
You nailed it.
I nailed it.